Welcome to a quick guide on creating a poll in WhatsApp on PC with the latest update. If you've ever wished to gather opinions from a group or simply run a quick survey, this feature makes it effortless right from your desktop. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer and navigate to the chat where you want to run the poll. It could be a group chat or an individual conversation, depending on who you want to participate. Once you're in the right chat, look for the attach icon, usually shaped like a paperclip or plus symbol near the message input area. Click that to reveal the available options. From the menu that appears, select Poll. This opens a fresh poll creation window directly within the chat. At this stage, you'll see a field labeled Question. Here's where you enter the main prompt you want people to answer. Keep it clear and concise so participants understand exactly what they're voting on. Next, you'll find the options field where you can input the different choices for the poll. Add each option one by one. There's typically a button to add more options if you need more than the default few. As you add options, you might consider setting a reasonable limit to keep responses meaningful. Think about the topic and the number of viable answers. When you're satisfied with both the question and the options, take a moment to review them to ensure there are no typos or ambiguous wording that could confuse voters. With everything in place, click the send icon to publish the poll in the chat. The poll then appears for all participants, showing the question and the list of options. Members can tap or click their preferred option to cast a vote. Depending on WhatsApp's current settings, you may be able to see live results as votes come in, or you might see the tally once voting closes. That's all there is to it. A few taps on PC and your poll is live, ready to collect opinions in real time. This feature is especially handy for planning events, choosing meeting times, or making group decisions without endless back and forth messages.